Hello guys! Today we have a tutorial to evade. Now first, I recommend you play the big team servers because there might be a chance more people can revive you.
The dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
And here. So here is here you can, with the joystick, you can move, jump, and then if you got modes, you can get these. For example, this one, POV, the point of view of the character. Menu, your character might reset though. Whistle, to distract the next bots. Usable backpack. Like, for example, you can use barriers. Barriers hold next bot temporarily. So it's recommended to put it. You also have speed pad. Which will speed your boost. Here we have Cola. Cola can boost your running speed for 6 seconds. You can jump also to even have even more. And the heart next to the number is the health. Then this is and also this is the tool, the light tool. And this is the utilities. Pretty much. Also, when you try to revive a person, you need to press the plus button or the emergency whatever button. And then you also have carry. For those who want to get revived, you want to turn on carry mode because people will not carry you to a safer place, so then they'll die with you. Okay, subscribe for part 2.